up, y'all? It's Franklin Frankenstein Bushcraft. Friday morning, and it's raining. I'm out here. I'm on my way to work, and I'm underneath the umbrella. And I walk every day to work. So when it rains, you know, I bring an umbrella, obviously, so I can stay dry. And I'm just chilling out by the river. I always leave early, so I have extra time to walk. Try to walk 4 or 5 miles before work and another 4 or 5 after. But yeah, just chilling out under the umbrella, enjoying the rain. It's a pretty nice little spot I'm in right here. It's tidal marsh. Right now it's low tide. High tide, most of this is underwater. This little thing I'm standing on here is usually above water unless the tide's overly high. But all around it is usually under, so you got to get a little bit wet to get over there at full high tide. And I broke my umbrella. Somebody else broke it. Nobody knows how it happened. It was in the back of my car, and now it's broke. So I'm making do with it. Hopefully it will hold out so I can get to work. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.